Hi, friends! Today we're learning English in the rain. If you enjoy it, please like and subscribe. Today it is raining. Today it is raining. I am wearing my raincoat. I am wearing my raincoat. I am taking an umbrella. I am taking an umbrella. I am opening the umbrella. I am opening the umbrella. I am standing under the umbrella. I am standing under the umbrella. I am going outside. I am going outside. I am walking in the rain. I am walking in the rain. I am looking at the dark clouds. I am looking at the dark clouds. The rain has stopped. The rain has stopped. I am walking slowly. I am walking slowly. I am avoiding the puddles. I am avoiding the puddles. My shoes are wet. My shoes are wet. I slip on the road. I slip on the road. I fall down suddenly. I fall down suddenly. I fall down suddenly. My clothes get dirty. My clothes get dirty. I am feeling cold. I am feeling cold. I sit on the road. I sit on the road. I stand up slowly. I stand up slowly. I pick up my umbrella. I pick up my umbrella. I start walking again. I start walking again. It suddenly started raining again. Oh no! It suddenly started raining again. I am holding the umbrella tightly. I am holding the umbrella tightly. I am crossing the street carefully. I am crossing the street carefully. I see a shop ahead. I see a shop ahead. I stand at the door. I stand at the door. I close my umbrella. I close my umbrella. I enter the shop. I enter the shop. I am looking around the shop. I am looking around the shop. I am choosing a seat by the window. I am choosing a seat by the window. I sit on the chair. I sit on the chair.
The rain is still falling. The rain is still falling.
I am ordering a cup of hot tea. I am ordering a cup of hot tea. The waiter is bringing tea. The waiter is bringing tea. The tea is hot. The tea is hot. I am drinking slowly. I am drinking slowly. I am warming my hands on the cup. I am warming my hands on the cup. I am watching the rain outside. I am watching the rain outside. I am smiling at the waiter. I am smiling at the waiter. I am eating bread. I am eating bread.
Here is your bill.
The waiter is bringing the bill. The waiter is bringing the bill.
I am paying cash. I am paying cash.
I am leaving the shop. I am leaving the shop. I am opening my umbrella again. I am opening my umbrella again. The road is still wet. The road is still wet. I am shaking the water off my umbrella. I am shaking the water off my umbrella. I am walking faster now. I am walking faster now. I can see my house. I can see my house. I can see my house lights. I can see my house lights. I am opening the door. I am opening the door. I am taking off my shoes. I am taking off my shoes. I am taking a rest. I am taking a rest.
I am taking a deep breath. I am taking a deep breath.
I am checking the time. I am checking the time. I am feeling safe and warm at home. I am feeling safe and warm at home.
I am feeling happy now. I am feeling happy now.